Welcome to Post-Flight by Trading Wings, a series of short videos designed to educate you on the types of plays we teach in the all-new, multilingual First Flight Trading Room. The first trading room of its kind, teaching you to the penny how to enter and exit trades so you can earn your trading wings today. For more information, visit us at tradingwings.com. Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to Post-Flight. Today we're going to talk about symbol IACI. It's a symbol that we normally don't play in the First Flight room as a day trade because the volume is typically pretty light and it's not a very big mover. However, as you can see here over the past few days, there has been some interest in IACI. You can see the volume creeping up there. And just like a few of the other patterns we've been looking at as extended, we were looking to short IACI today. If you go back and watch the video from, or the prior video, that'll show you another example of this sort of play. We noticed that IACI was up quite a bit, and taking a look at the daily chart, we said, alright, any weakness today, we'd like to short it. And so if it rallies first, we described exactly what we were going to look for, and then we said if it drops first, we talked about exactly what we're going to look for. Now we do this every morning on all of our symbols, just so everybody knows before the market opens how we're going to trade each symbol. Naturally, we don't know if it's going to rally first or drop first, so we just come up with a game plan for either scenario. So, as per our game plan, we watched IAC rally this morning, and we took our first entry here just before 10 o'clock, right under 36.50. And we said, you know what, it's getting close to a known reversal time that we talk about all the time in the First Flight room. Let's just start with half of our position with a 10-cent stop. We then started talking about where we would add the second half of the position before it actually happened. We talked about adding more shares short under 36.42, and once we traded here on this bar right here, we started going through 42 and said, okay, let's add the rest of the shares, and we now have a full-size position with a 10-cent stop. Well, as IACI started to work in our favor, it really slowed down. You can take a look over here at the 5-minute chart. We had a very tight, very boring downtrend. But I would bet that a lot of traders wouldn't mind a nice boring downtrend as long as they were short the stock. So we just patiently let it drop. We checked in on it every now and then, and we started trying to develop a target. Now we talk about targets a lot in the First Flight room, and we had determined beforehand that about $36, more importantly $36.03, was going to be our exact target. As we started to drop towards the whole number, we said, alright, it's getting to be lunchtime, let's keep an eye on our play. We're up a little over 4 times what we were risking, and notice here how we poked through $36, and it looked like we were going to make a little bit more money. Well, right at that point we said, hey, let's lock in 4 times what we were risking. So if you were risking $100, you were currently up $400 at that point, and we said, okay, no matter what, don't give that back. Well, we dropped a little bit further. It looked like we were going to make a little bit more money, and then we finally trailed out here just right at 36.04, called it a trade, and we walked away with 4 times what we were risking on a counter trend daily pattern. If you'd like to learn more information on how we trade, or would like to just sit and trade with us, feel free to go to tradingwings.com. You can take a free 2-week trial. If you're watching this today, which is Tuesday, tomorrow and every Wednesday we have a free lunchtime lecture in the First Flight Trading Room. We begin at 12:30 Eastern Time, and it's usually about a half hour, 45-minute discussion on different topics every week. Tomorrow's topic will just happen to be the timing of individual trades, and we'll go over that tomorrow, and feel free to check tradingwings.com for the upcoming lectures and the upcoming schedule of all of our Wednesday talks. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Talk to you real soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.